Well, the time has come for me to start getting some metal cut. So I have taken the diagram that I'll show here in a sec and spin around a little, let you see that. So that is the trailer. Now I'm going to try to build this one side at a time starting, but I've got all this 1-inch tubing. So getting the 1-inch tubing cut most efficiently, I'm going to use the OptiCutter free tool. So if you haven't used it, opticutter.com. I have no relationship with them. It is a great tool. It makes it super easy. You put in the sizes you have of your lengths, then you put the sizes you need in, tell it to calculate, and it will tell you how to use it most efficiently. So as you can see, I've got quite a few pieces I need to use here. I've got a couple that are using the full 96, so that's easy, but there's 5 other pieces to be cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these pieces cut, labeled, and then we'll see whether I can figure this new welder out here to do some good aluminum welding with everything, or whether I'm gonna end up just doing rivets and brackets, and we'll figure that out. As you know, I'm trying to figure this out as I go. So let's get into some cutting. Okay, so we got all of the pieces cut for the 2 sides. So I'll go ahead and show you those and kind of how that's set. And now it's time for me to start doing some practice on this welding. And then we'll start getting some stuff together, and hopefully soon I'll be able to show you some sides.